That's not for me.
Alright.
Stop it.
Alright, we gotta guard.
I can see you, it's just whether you stay. Ah!
Fuck off,
No,
chicken.
no.
Royal, are you alive?
No, Nafumi killed me when I was trying to work out if that was actually him.
Ah! Hey, Grandma, good job.
You
Good
used
job,
him as a
Nafumi.
character. Good job.
No. No.
Yeah, let's go.
I just realized the little chicken costume has a tail.
Yeah. Feathers. Oh my god, nice!
What happened? Were you unconscious?
No,
Yes, he was.
Was I? It didn't make the
No,
sound.
Yeah.
You were acting like you were unconscious, but I didn't hear the sound either. That's why I was so confused. I keep knocking him out, and I can't get rid of him.
I'm here. I'm here, my queen. There you go. Alright, whoa, my queen, calm yourself.
I want
Calm
chicken
yourself,
nuggies.
my queen. Chicken nuggies.
The queen
Listen,
demands
my-
chicken nuggies.
Mine's a
Well,
little
you
too big
do
for.
what I did.
Mine's a little too big for nuggies.
Royal, beware. Beware, they started to
Alright,
rise
Royal.
against the
Nuggies
monarchy.
fight back.
They've gotten wise. Yes,
Come
the
on down,
nuggies
Royal.
fight back.
Royal, break it.
I'm lagging, give me a
You'll
sec.
fall.
I'm
You're-
lagging, give me a sec.
Your shoulder is tweaking the fuck out.
I know.
Oh, you got it. Spinny spin, Royal. Nope, go fight the chicken. Oh my gosh! The nuggies fight back, I
Nuggies
warn
fight
you!
The chicken with the flying elbow.
I'm not sure the nuggies are any good anymore, they're a little green. Not fit for
Alright,
human
let me just
consumption.
roll
I've
over.
been spinning out for a few weeks.
No. Yeah,
Hang
yeah,
on,
there
Royal.
you go, you got it.
Ride 'em, Royal, ride the nuggies!
Ride that
That's
cock.
a weird thing to say.
Oh.
Wake up, wake up.
You're awake! Spinny spin, bitch! There you go!
No.
Fucking.
Pick the
Waiting
nuggies
for
up!
wires to break.
No.
There we go.
No.
Let's see if the chicken can fly! Apparently
I killed
not.
the nuggies.
Yeah, Royal got tired of riding the cock.
I'm too lazy to keep riding.
I've got the hold of the chicken by his gobble gobble. Go.
You're the one walking into a wall.
You need to spin, dumbass! There! Good lord.
Hey, Kang and I were doing it fine together earlier, and we weren't even talking
Hey,
about
no,
what
we
to
needed
do.
to save Royal! Come back!
I'm trying.
Grab on, Royal!
I'm trying.
There, pull now,
Wait,
Fumi, pull!
Wait, was I muted this whole time?
For part of it. Pull! Grab the cat!
Wait,
No,
what I?
No,
What I?
no.
Now both
I
cats
don't
are
know.
trying! Fuck off.
Oh shit.
Kay just throws a bench on top of Nafumi, like...
Drown? Oh no.
Oh, Cthulhu just came in and said. Cthulhu wanted chicken nuggies.
Barely. I got you, Nafumi. Oh, fuck. Nafumi, I got you. Please save me. This is what I get for trying to help people. I get deaded.
You didn't help me at all. I'm still drowning.
God, at this point, Nafumi, just knock her out. She's really fighting. You're gonna get deaded.
Come on.
She's just gonna throw you in.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
No. Both of
No.
you go stand on the edge, play Cthulhu Roulette. Cthulhu Roulette. Just
Okay.
stand on the edge, don't fight each other. Evenly spaced, okay? There you go. Oh, that was bad. Oh, no, wait.
Oh,
No, yeah, no, bye now, Fumi. Well,
there goes the neighborhood.
see, you should have killed her. That
The
is
home
fair.
wrecker's here.
Uh-oh.
The homewrecker?
Yo.
Help! Ah! That's not helping, King! That's murder!
That's murder.
Stop attacking your queen! Stop it! Get some help!
No.
So,
Fuck!
I've tried.
I don't want to be here anymore! No, Phoebe! I saved your ass? You're welcome. Bye, Royal. Hello! Can your queen get, never mind. It's swung my own ass. Where's Nafumi?
The Fumi's hanging on in the middle, kind of.
He's almost in the other one.
Kind of? The fuck does
Yeah.
kind of mean?
You're safe. His head's right there.
Hang on, who's the homewrecker? I'm confused. I don't have Discord open.
Carter.
Oh. Hiyo!
Hello.
How was hockey?
It was good.
Did you get hit again?
Oh,
Or you
there's
okay?
the Fumi. The Fumi just fell.
I got hit again.
In the same spot?
No,
I gotta go
I
feed
got,
Did
got
you?
smoked in the puck by. Got smoked in the shoulder by a puck.
Oh, honey, bad shoulder or other shoulder?
Which one's my bad shoulder?
Well, both of them technically.
Your bad shoulder is the one that the devil appears on. When
Fucking
you get the
fuck!
devil and the angel on your shoulder.
Oh, it's my double jointed shoulder.
Ah! You fucking chicken! I can't see. Huh.
It's the other shoulder.
You
than
get
that.
all mad at me. You're the one trying to over there pole dance.
I'm going swimming.
Woohoo!
High dive.
No.
I haven't got a single win. That never happens.
It's going well for me.
Yeah, I'm
Well,
tired
it's
of helping
really
you.
good. Well,
It keeps backfiring. Let's beat up the blue cat.
Oh.
No.
Yes.
Fuck the chicken nuggets. Fuck the blue cat. Fuck everybody. Oh, I deserve that. Wake up! Oh fuck. Oh, I'm not dead. Thank fuck. Goodbye, red cat.
You were after the chicken. Why'd you turn to me?
How is Nafumi still alive? Just stand. Oh, I am sliding across the floor. Hang on.
You had to ask.
You did.
I got the blue cat. Oh, fuck me. Okay, there you go, Kang.
Couldn't get it up in time, eh?
No, it's not usually a complaint, but you see, I lack the anatomy for that to even be a possible complaint.
What are you talking about? You have the biggest dick of all.
I can't. I want uppies, damn it!
Oh, there's the Fumi.
I want uppies.
It's all
Up!
toys.
Up, up.
You having trouble down there?
The pout in the corner. Can't even get to the corner properly. Stuck to the wall. Fuck you, bitch. Oh, no, I'm not stuck to the wall anymore. Yes, I am. Ah,
Oh, you are.
fuck off.
Jesus.
No, I don't think he's here. Sorry, can I take a message? Oh, I'm gonna go see him. I'll take him your message. Ah!
Uh-oh.
In the hole.
Ah,
Yay, I won one!
You won one?
Yeah, I did. Yay.
1-1-1?
1-1-1-1. Haha. Fuck off. Let's take Nafumi with us. No, take Nafumi with us. Let's go. Everybody off the train. I'm floating. No, off the train. Actually, just wait. It'll disconnect. Yep. Hold up. Just stand on the planks. Kang is taking us royal.
Okay.
Oh, you just dropped Nafumi.
Became dead weight.
I'm tapped out.
Damn it.
There you go.
Damn it.
Can confirm my tits are actually pretty warm right now.
God damn it.
Hey, yo.
I'm good. Wait, is Nafumi not back?
Nope.
Oh, shit.
Hey,
Why do I feel like I'm being chased?
Can you have Power World?
Somebody's unconscious.
I'm assuming.
I'm under the train. I'm under the
I
train.
downloaded it via Game Pass on PC.
Who's still alive? Carter then? Yeah, I see him.
I only really lag when you try.
That I can get for like $100 and turning that into a
Bye,
super
Carter. Here you go.
Minecraft for us all. Because I can
Oh.
live, not play,